Hey everyone, I'm Tyler, a customer success specialist here at Driving Tests. Today, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of our premium program so you know exactly what you'll see once you log in. We've actually spent over a decade refining this approach. It has helped millions of people prepare for their DMV exams. And I'm really excited to show you around. So, when you first log in and select your state, you'll land on this overview page. We've laid everything out step by step, so you don't feel overwhelmed when you're just starting out. It's packed with useful features, but at the same time, it's all super straightforward, smooth and easy, starting with the basics and moving on to more challenging topics. We know it can feel overwhelming to start from scratch, so we really try to make this as organized as possible. All right, let me show you some cool things. See this countdown up here? That's tracking the days until your exam. And over here on the right, this is probably my favorite part, your passing probability widget. It's basically your personal progress tracker. Every time you complete a practice test, this meter goes up. On the Study Plan tab, we'll calculate a personalized schedule based on your target exam date. You'll see how many questions to cover each day and how close you are to reaching your goals. The Accuracy tab breaks down how precise your answers have been, helping you pinpoint any topics that may need extra attention. It's a quick way to see what's going well and where you can improve further. Oh, and as you go along, you'll see your study streak and earn cool badges too. It's just a fun little way to track your progress. We've got a lot of these little things baked into the program. You'll never get bored. It's like a fun game you play, so most of the time you won't even know you're studying. Okay, let me scroll down and show you how everything's organized. The core of our program is really these practice tests here. Then once you're feeling confident, you'll move on to the exam simulator. It's set up to feel just like the real thing. We usually recommend doing at least 3 full attempts. And down here, we've got these cheat sheets that cover the most common questions you might see at the DMV. Super helpful for last-minute review. Oh, and check this out. This is really cool. In the Behind the Wheel section, we've got these virtual driving simulators. We've included animations, 360-degree tests, and everything from basic maneuvers to more challenging situations, like merging onto highways or navigating busy intersections. These simulators give you a chance to virtually experience real driving scenarios before you ever hit the road. It's actually pretty fun. All right. Let me show you what happens when we click into one of these practice tests. This is really where the magic happens. Because, well, actually practicing is way better than just reading some boring PDF, right? See these gorgeous graphics? We create custom ones for most questions to help you visualize the situation. Makes a huge difference when you're trying to understand things like tricky intersections or lane changes. All right, moving on. Let me answer this one. You get instant feedback. If you get something wrong, happens to everyone, right? You'll see exactly why. Plus, in most cases, we also show you where to find more information in the official handbook. Oh, another quick thing I should show you. Up here in settings, you've got tons of options. You can make the text bigger, switch languages, all that good stuff. And hey, if you're studying late at night, we've all been there. There's even a night mode to save your eyes. One feature our users really love is our AI coach. It's honestly like having a tutor available whenever you need one. If you're stuck on something, like a driving concept, or want to dive deeper into a topic, it's right here to help. Just ask it, and it'll walk you through it. Super helpful when you're dealing with confusing rules. Give it a try when you get a chance, all right? Last thing I want to show you, Here's what you see after finishing a test. First up, you'll meet Officer Frank. He's our mascot. Bit of a character, really. Sometimes he's a bit quirky, but hey, we all have our moments. Right here in the Performance Insights section, you can see exactly what you're nailing and what needs work. Everything's broken down by topic, so you know exactly where to focus next time. And that's pretty much it. It's designed to be simple, engaging, and effective. A much better alternative to sifting through a 100-page manual, if you ask me. Between the practice tests, the exam simulator, and our handy cheat sheets, you'll have everything you need to feel confident on exam day. We've really honed this system over the last 14 years we've been doing this. We actually did a study recently, over 1,500 of our users. And 97% of people who finish our program pass their test. And for CDL drivers, it's even higher, at 99%. It's not a magic trick, but it does beat reading the entire driver's manual from cover to cover. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hope this helps give you an idea of what we're all about. Good luck with your test. You've got this.